3.2 third sum. Show that the straight lines x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, and 3x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0 or concurrent. Solution. We know the condition for concurrency. Condition for concurrency is determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is equal to 0. Hence, we got to prove that A1 is 1, B1 also 1, C1 is minus 4, A2 is 3. There is no B2, then it is 0. Here there is no Y, therefore it is 0. 2, C2 is 2, and A3 is 3, and here also minus 3, B3 is minus 3, and C3 is 16. The value of the determinant we know. 1 into its minor is 0, 2, minus 3, 16, minus 1 into deleting first row and second column, we get 3, 2, 3, 16, minus 4 into deleting 3, 0, 3, minus 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 3. The value is 1 into 0 plus 6 minus 1 into 48, cross multiplying 48, minus 6, minus 4 into minus 9 minus 0, that's equal to 6 minus 42 plus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore, the given 3 lines are concurrent. 3.2 fourth sum. Find the value of A for which the straight lines 3x plus 4y is equal to 13, 2x minus 7y is equal to minus 1, and ax minus y minus 14 is equal to 0 or concurrent. The given straight lines are solution. We know the condition for concurrency is determinant value is equal to 0. We can change the straight lines 3x plus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, 2x minus 7y plus 1 is equal to 0, ax minus y minus 14 is equal to 0, 3 lines. Therefore, determinant value is equal to 3, 4, minus 13, 2, minus 7, 1, a, minus 1 minus 14. The value of the determinant is 3 into this minus 7 1 minus 1 minus 14 minus 7 minus 7 1 minus 1 minus 14 minus 4 into relating this 2 1 a minus 14 2 1 a minus 14 minus 13 is into minus 13 into 2 minus 7 a minus 1 2 minus 7 a minus 7 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 98 plus 1 minus 4 into minus 28 minus a minus 13 into minus 2 plus 7a. The value of the determinant is that they given they are the value is 0. That is concurrency means 0. Therefore 297 plus 112 plus 4a, sorry 4a not 4a, plus 4a plus 26 minus 91a is equal to 0. Simplifying 435 is equal to 87a. Therefore a is equal to 435 by 87. Therefore a is equal to 5. Hence find. (3.2) Fifth sum. A manufacturer produces 80 TV sets at a cost of rupees 2,20,000 and 125 TV sets at a cost of rupees 2,87,500. Assuming the cost curve to be linear, find the linear expression. Find the linear expression of the given information. Also estimate the cost of 95 TV sets. By the given information to produce 80 TV, 2,20,000. It is 1 point. This is x1, this is y1. Second information, for producing 125 TVs, 2,87,500. This is x1, x2, and this is y2. Then the linear 2 points formula. The linear 2 points formula, we know y minus y by y minus y is equal to x minus x by x minus x, blank 1 2 1. blank 1 2 1. This is the 2-point formula. When we substitute the value, y is and y1 is 2,20,000 by 2,80,000. y2 is 2,87,500 minus 2,20,000 is equal to x minus 80 by 125 minus 80, and simplifying we get y minus 2,20,000 by 67, subtract this, 67,500 is equal to x minus 80 by 125 minus 80 is 45. When we cut these two values, that is by 595, here 5 1 3 5 00, cut by 9 199, here 9 is 19 5 9 2 zeros, and we cross multiplying we get y minus 2,20,000 is equal to 1,500 into x minus 80, that's equal to y minus 2,20,000 is equal to 1,500 x minus, multiply 1,500 into 80, we get 1,20,000. That is 1,500 x minus y plus 1 lakh. We simplify this, we get. Therefore, when this is the linear equation, when x equal to 85 TeV set, the cost is 1,500, x is 85 minus y plus 1 lakh is equal to 0. Therefore, y is come before that, y is equal to 1,42,500 plus 1 lakh is that. Therefore, y is equal to 2,42,500. This is the value of 85 TeV set cost. That's all.